I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Hello everyone, you all are welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to touch about hypergolic propellants. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, there are bipropellants. In the lecture 2 I have explained you. In the bipropellants we have two types. One is fuel and oxidizer, means not types, two parts. Then in oxidizer there are two types, solid and liquid. In liquid there are two types, three types. First is, we can say, non-toxic and in oxidizers we can say non-cryogenic. So we can say directly like cryogenic and hypergolic. But in fuels we have, one is our like oxidizer means fuels, room temperature fuels, and another is hypergolics. So let's get started in the hypergolic part. So here, as you can see, the hypergolic part, there is, I mentioned you, this is your Titan rocket, and here's our, like, I can say, main rocket bulkhead part, means whole rocket for in short, if you say. So as you can see, I will zoom out and I will keep it about here. Okay, so my friends, as you can see, here we have a fuel, here we have a common tank and rocket shell. That all it will be explained in next videos. In this video I am going to only explain you about the types of rocket propellants. So one means the hypergolic type. So what is hypergolic type? In the hypergolic propellants there are, we can say, kind of two hypergolic propellants. Okay, so one is toxic, and second is non-toxic but very rare. So one of the non-toxic is T-type. Also SpaceX uses. It's not that much toxic, but the hydrazine, as you can see on the screen, I have written here that nitrogen tetroxide, like unsymmetrical dimethyl hydrazine. These are, like, I can say, a lot, like they have to like whole like suits for like safety from these propellants only. That much dangers are these. So as you can think, so what they do is, when they get into the combustion chamber, this is our combustion chamber. So when they get into this part, boom, ignition. And like you can see that orange flame in this rocket, this is the Titan 2 rocket. Titan 3 and 2 also both use these hypergolic propellants. So what means, in this rocket there is, we can say, the exhaust is orange flame. Like when at the launch it's orange flame, but and you can say when it takes, we can say at a certain altitude it becomes transparent. We can say certain altitude means instantly when the rocket we can say took off from the launch pad. Why? So my friends, I will take it here. So as you can see right here, we have like nitrogen tetroxide and unsymmetrical dimethyl hydrazine. That one part was sure. Okay, so when it gets into the combustion chamber, okay, so when it we can say gets into the combustion chamber, that time it spontaneously ignites. No means times, we can say timestamp, but it doesn't take that much time. Instantly it takes, because it starts burning or it starts combusting at the same time. So yes, that's we can say the main point. Hypergolic fuels like ignite instantly when they are like in contact. Both the oxidizer and fuel are in contact. So I will explain you all this part, which is little bit complex but not so much. So I will explain you because I am here. So in next video, in lecture 4, I will explain you about this whole, how this rocket works. In next video I will explain you about the aerodynamics of rockets. It's how much considerations they have to take for let's say maintaining the aerodynamics of the rocket, then the gimbal system of the rocket engine, that also means there are many videos are going to come in this series. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm Aaditya Nair. This was Aaditya Aerospace. Please press the like icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Bye.